Good afternoon, guys. It's finished. Sort of. There's just a few tiny little bits left to do, but it's done. So exciting. So excited. But yeah, I've done the cover. I made myself like a little book plate and another one there. I'll go into more details in these in the flip through, which is coming soon. And then look, all this fluffiness on top. All these were made from the scraps left over from the cover, which I love. But yes, so this is cool. Yeah, I've just wrapped them onto the tags. I was going to wrap them onto the paper clips, but I've used the paper clips to clip the tags in. So there we go. How awesome! But yeah, so it is done. Like I said, there's a few little bits to do, but it's all decorated up. Yay! So exciting! So exciting. So I will get on and finish off the little bits, and then I'll be back for the flip through. Oh my gosh. Oh, honestly, look at all that fluffiness. We have tons of fluffiness here at the side, so I figured let's have some at the top. But yeah. Oh. Anyway, very short and sweet. And this is going to be the closure, which is just some blue sheer and pink sheer organza ribbon, which I have used to create the background here. I used the blue ribbon there, I used the pink ribbon there, because as you've noticed throughout the making of this journal, the predominant colours in this journal are blue and pink. So yes, and all I'm going to do with it is lay them one on top of each other because it gives a really cool colour, and then fold them together. When they're together on top of each other, it's almost purple. But yes, so that is it, guys. That's your closure. Just simple. I've been kind of lining them up on the back with the edge of the design. But there you go. That is it, guys. We're done. Oh my gosh. How awesome is that? But yes, so a very, very, very short and sweet video. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey with me. Oh, wow. Just wow. That's all I can say. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. The feedback from you guys has been absolutely fantastic. More than what I ever hoped for. And yeah, very encouraging, which you guys are anyway. Very encouraging and yeah, supportive, and oh, so excited. So I'm gonna go because I'm just quite emotional right now. More relief than anything because it's done and within deadline as well. We're the 24th today. My deadline is the 28th, so yeah, it's done. I'm gonna do a little bit more fluffing up because there are just one or two little extra things I want to do, but I'm not going to show you. That's, like I said, for the flip through. And then I'm going to take the photos and then get them sorted into Daisy's design team group where she wants us to post them. And then I will get going with the flip through video, but I'm not going to do any of that until tomorrow because the lighting in here now is absolutely rubbish. Like, it's 3:30 nearly. It's nearly 3:30 PM. And Taylor will be home soon anyway, but like I said, the lighting in here, and as you can see, is a little bit pants at the moment, so I will wait until tomorrow and I'll get all that done in the daylight. Natural lighting, where it's a lot better. I will do the flip through, not necessarily tomorrow, but I will also do the flip through in natural lighting as well, so you get to see everything in its glory. But yes, in the meantime, I'm going to love you and leave you guys. So, thank you so much for coming along with me. Thank you for all your wonderful comments and support, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.